Hello guys, today I tell you about how to change mouse icon easily and your PC look stylish and slim. So I told you about and see this video carefully. First go to my control panel. Look. First go to my control panel. Then system and security. Then is here mouse option, so I can search it. Oh sorry, you search this control panel mouse icon. Now see this mouse icon, click here and show it. Now you go pointer option, then click this browse option, then go this PC windows. Then go my hard disk, then go this folder, then mouse icon, then go this cursor, C, wait, see use mouse icon, change this special look, many icons, there are this icon, now I change love icon, it's look very stylish. See, I give all my friend in this icon links, we download and use it. Now I change this icon, see, open and look, see, then apply, then OK. See, the mouse icon is look very stylish. And is look stylish and use easily. So we use it easily and look PC different look. So all guys, please subscribe this channel for more exclusive videos and tricks about PC solution. Any problem to comment here, I solve it. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial দেখার জন্য অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন।